Hi crypto fans, welcome to TCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover SuiSwap. This is a decentralized exchange on the SUI ecosystem. They have a confirmed airdrop and it's free, and it's an amazing opportunity, very unique, like could happen with Uniswap with Ethereum in the past. So you need to do this right now. Like always, we are going to cover a little bit about SuiSwap and all the steps that you need to do in order to get this wonderful and very possible airdrop already confirmed. Remember guys that you have all my airdrops in cryptocurrencystate.net. All the step-by-steps are here posted. You go to videos and everything is going to be here. You can also search for different types of categories or search for a specific project for the airdrop. And if you want to give another step to be an airdrop hunter, you can register into my Discord, which is very cheap. It's less than a transaction on the Ethereum mainnet, or you can enter also into my application. My app is going to help you to register and keep track on all the airdrops that you are applying. So check this video if you want to really give another step on the airdrop hunter path. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, SuiSwap is the DEX of SUI, unified trade infrastructure for SUI ecosystem. Trade elegantly, deposit with best rewards, and experience the speed and security powered by SUI. I already have been testing this. You can go to SuiSwap.app and trade with simple one click. Actually, everything is working really nice, and you can try this in Testnet already and in DevNet too. So we are going to do that. It's going to give us also transactions for the SUI possible airdrop. And if you didn't do the SUI airdrop testnet, please go to this link. It's in the description of the video. This is all the steps that you need to do to participate on the possible SUI airdrop. It's everything explained here. Or if you have my subscription on the app, you can actually apply directly there in my app into the SUI airdrop testnet. So go and check this video if you didn't do the SUI steps for the possible airdrop. So now let's go directly to the step-by-step on how to work and do this SuiSwap airdrop, which is already confirmed, and you can start to build that portfolio. First of all guys, and you are going to need this, of course, follow them on Twitter. The second is follow them on Discord. In Discord is where always the things are happening for airdrops, so you need to be there. All the announcements on Discord are running first, even before Twitter sometimes. So follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. The third point is you need to go to the SuiSwap app and you need to click on Enter App. So you go here and click on this button, Enter App. So this is going to send you to suiswap.app/app. And here we are going to need to connect our wallet. So click on Connect Wallet. And in my case, I am using the SUI wallet. Once you connect, you can see all here the pools that you are going to be able to enter, and this is the exchange for the trades. But first of all, open your SUI wallet and be sure guys that going here to the hamburger icon, you are in network in SUI Testnet, because you can go to the DevNet also, or put your custom RPC or trade locally. You need to be in SUI Testnet. You are going to see here that we are in SuiSwap. This is Testnet 3.1. So be sure to be there guys. And in order to interact with all this ecosystem, you need to have some SUI tokens. So if you don't have SUI tokens, go to the video here on the description, the SUI airdrop testnet. Do first this step so you get faucet tokens. It's all explained here guys. You are going to need to have SUI tokens for this video. So go there, get your SUI tokens. So step 4, once you are connected with a supported SUI wallet, be sure to be in testnet. So now we are going to mint tokens, trade, enter into liquidity in a couple of pools. So once we are here, we go to token, and here we have tokens to mint. So you can see the tokens that I have, SUI with the balance. Now I'm going to mint a couple of these tokens. Down here I am blocking, but it's saying mint BNB. So after you click that, you need to wait a little bit. you are going to see that this is pumped up for the transaction, so approve this. And you cannot see it anyways, but it says mint BNB was successfully, so probably we are going to see it here soon. And in the meantime, I am continually going to mint other of these tokens. All these tokens are free and faucet tokens, doesn't have any real value, only for the testnet of SUI. Again, I am minting BTC now, and you can see how I get 0.01 BNB and already 0.01 BTC. So try to mint everything here, guys. I recommend you, because then we are going to be able to enter into many of these liquidity pools. So I am minting DAI right now. Approve all these transactions, you need to approve it. And by the way, doing this, guys, you are already using the ecosystem of SUI, because these transactions are already in the explorer of the SUI testnet. So this is going to serve you also to that purpose. Like you can see, guys, I minted many of the tokens. I had some error with the USDC, but don't worry about that. You can put that in the bags here on the Discord channel. So if you go to the Discord, you can see development on bug reports and feedbacks. So you can put there your feedback if something is not working. But if you have already many tokens like me here, you are done. The first thing I want to do, guys, if I'm going to do a swap, so I will put DAI here, and then the other token is going to be SUI. So I will put the 75% of DAI. I'm going to do the swap, confirm, and down here you cannot see it, but says swapping coin DAI into SUI. I need to approve this, and the swap was confirmed and successfully, so everything was fine. Guys, this is working really nice. The look and feel is nice also. I like that they didn't just copy Uniswap or PancakeSwap. This is a new design, so I really like that. Do a couple of tradings here, guys, and after you do that, you go to pools, and we are going to enter some liquidity. So Ethereum with SUI, I'm going to put 50% of everything here. Let's say 75 or what I get from Ethereum. Click on deposit. I need to approve, of course, everything here. And the deposit coin was successfully, so probably in a couple of minutes I'm going to see it here, my position. You can see already appear, so it's working really quick. I'm going to do the same with Bitcoin. 2 positions on Ethereum and BTC. I will do last one with BNB, let's say 75%. Click on deposit and approve, and this is done. So I'm going to wait a little bit so I get the pool there. And I already have mint tokens, I already did some transactions on the swap part, and I already entered into the liquidity pools. There are not stable pools right now, so I couldn't enter into any of those. This is testnet, so we continue could be there. Now I will withdraw a little bit here, just in order to get the transaction. So I am withdrawing a little bit of that position. And that is all, guys. I already did everything that you can do here on the SuiSwap. So all that was step 4. Now in step 5, guys, just in case, do the same that in step 4, but using the DevNet instead. Disconnect for SuiSwap app, change your Sui wallet to DevNet. Now connect to SuiSwap and click on DevNet and do the same. So you can see here, guys, that says DevNet. So we are going to disconnect first. I'm going to my SUI wallet. Everything that I did was in the testnet of SUI. You can see I have the tokens even here. So now I want to go to the DevNet. So I click here, and go to DevNet. And after being in DevNet, guys, I'm going to connect again my wallet. And I'm going to click here on DevNet, which is going to send me to another URL instead, which is devnet.suiswap.app. So click on Enter App and connect your wallet, and again you are going to approve and connect. And the look and feel is the same, guys, but I am in DevNet SUI. So if you need tokens for this, just you can get it from the wallet. So click here and click on request DevNet SUI tokens. You are going to be sent 0.05. You can get them directly on the DevNet of SUI. And if I click here on tokens now, you can see I have 0.05, and with that we can pay again all the different fees from the DevNet here. So this is all in the DevNet, but again guys, do the same, mint all the tokens, do some swaps, I would say 3 or 4, and enter into at least 3 pools and withdraw a little bit of one of them. Again, you can see now this is saying testnet, so we are in DevNet guys. So that will be all for step 5. And now guys, we move to the part of this video where we talk about the airdrop of this. So step 6 is, if you stay in their Discord until the 1st of March at least, you will receive 20 points. And you can see that here on the top of the SuiSwap Discord. Earn 20 SuiSwap points by staying in Discord. This is an event. Basically you need to stay in Discord before the 1st of March to get those 20 points. And what are those 20 points? Well, you are going to see it now. Step 7, do the steps of this tweet to maybe win some OG rolls and points. So go to this link, you are going to see this tweet which says select 1 OG roll gold, it's going to give you 10,000 points, 10 OG roll, it's going to give you 2,000 points. So to enter, you need to follow them on Twitter, we are already following them, retweet the origin tweet, like and tag 3 friends and join Discord. So the origin tweet is this one, so click here, and in this guys, in this tweet you need to retweet, like and tag 3 friends. Please don't tag me guys, everybody is tagging me with all the different airdrops, so tag another friends please. So doing that, you will have the possibility to earn some of those OG rolls that will give you also points. So step 6, we have maybe 20 points if we stay there in the Discord. Here we get some OG rolls to get points also. And step 8, as much points you get, more airdrop tokens you will get. And while inside you can see that link which explains the introduction of SuiSwap OG and SuiSwap points. Here is explained what is SuiSwap OG and here how to obtain SuiSwap points, which is really important. And that is step 9, how to get the points. You can check that on Discord or in this document. To obtain points, you need to participate in activities organized by SuiSwap to obtain SuiSwap points. Become one of the SuiSwap Discord unique roles, it's going to give you points. Speak and get involved in the Discord community is going to give you points. Complete the Crew 3 task, it's not yet live, so I didn't put the link. I will comment all of you about that on Discord, on my Discord guys. So if you are not in my Discord, go to the subscriptions. The monthly subscription is less than a fee on the transactions of Ethereum mainnet. Guys, so really cheap, and I would recommend you to use my app if you want to give another step on being an airdrop hunter here. So we are going to complete the Crew 3 task when they appear, and we are going to collect the SuiSwap Galaxy OAT token in exchange for SuiSwap points. Also, this is coming. So that is also the step 9. And step 10 is the Crew 3 that will be open soon, so fill the task and get points too. And this is a Sui points example. This is something that is very interesting to read. Let's say that SuiSwap tries to airdrop 2 million SuiSwap tokens to the community after the SuiSwap mainnet launch. So the distribution is after the launch. The total collected SuiSwap points are 1 million. Meaning that you could use 1 point in exchange for 2 governance tokens. Also, here says that is 2 million SuiSwap, but I think it's going to be more. The tokenomics are not yet for public knowledge, but I think if they are like Uniswap and many decentralized exchange, maybe it's 1 billion guys. That is what usually the DEX have, at least the big ones. Going back to the example, and let's say that the community member who have an OG golden roll has 10,000 points, complete the Crew 3 task, has 3,000 points, collect multiple SuiSwap related Galaxy OATs, have 2,000 points, and another event 2,550 points. So now this member owns 17,550 points, so he could get this amount per 2, so that is 35k tokens airdrop of these governance tokens. And guys, that is a lot. If you think about Uniswap, and this could be the Uniswap for Sui, Probably this is right now the SuiSwap is the biggest DEX that I saw on the ecosystem of Sui, and this is powered by Sui too. So I think this is a great opportunity. We have less than 100k members here, and in Sui we already have more than 500k users. So I don't have too much expectation about the Sui airdrop. I don't think we are going to get too much from there, but maybe you can get a lot from SuiSwap, and that could be actually even better, guys. So not many people here. You can see this tweet only 69 reactions, so not many people is going to be behind all these guys, at least for now. So I will pay attention to this. I will try to participate on the Discord a little bit and get all these points, guys. Not that easy to do it with more than one wallet, but at least with one wallet, if you accomplish everything here, having 35 tokens from this governance token, I think is good worth a couple of thousands. So that is my view on this airdrop, guys. All the points are here, and you're going to find it here on my website. Like you can have here the Sui airdrop. So guys, SuiSwap, a very big opportunity. I will pay attention to this. I think this free airdrop is an amazing opportunity now. So don't waste any time and start doing that. That will be all for this video. And before we leave, subscribe to my Twitter, because in Twitter I post many things that are not in my videos, and maybe things that I share only in Discord or people on Discord share with me. So in Twitter, you will find a lot of interesting things to do. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.